Smell the Jamaica air. Smell the Jamaica air in the land of wood and water. Medea, 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 Medea.
Ricardo, we're having
dark.
a drink.
It's too dark. I'm on the swings at the bar. This is maybe not a good thing if you're drunk.
I'm telling you. Oh, by the way, you guys, be careful. This thing tips backwards.
Oh,
Like, be
yeah?
careful. It will flip you out. Be careful. Almost happened to
I
me.
see it now. Okay.
Yeah, be careful.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta be careful.
Very careful. Don't
you
don't
got
push
ting?
back.
Yeah, we're getting
Can you mix up
ting
Rain Nephew?
and Rain
Oh, she
Nephew.
didn't blame the alcohol.
She didn't play with it, man. She didn't play with it.
Tequila sunrise.
No, she didn't. No, she didn't. I don't taste nothing.
You know what? Okay.
It's supposed to be ting and Rain Nephew. This is just Ray and Nephew.
I know, right?
Do you have the sour one?
We
Hey,
have to.
Natalie, what was the other restaurant?
Sorrel gin. They don't have it.
They don't
have
We'll
it?
get it.
Yeah.
We'll get it like tomorrow or Sunday. Don't worry.
Okay, that's
It's a
fine.
family.
All right, yeah, let me just get a
family.
restaurant just for you right there.
We're waiting.
Thank you.
She's being goofy. You know this going on YouTube.
Oh no!
Oh, we're going on YouTube?
I was sticking my tongue.
Wagwan!
Gotta show your big sexy.
Oh, yep.
Wagwan, baby.
Oh no.
He has to fit in. He has to fit in. Oh my god.
Oh, thank you.
It's, you see the sweat? I don't know. My skin is glistening. You'll see his place in the daytime tomorrow. Going down these stairs to a very nice. Some people down here already. Me a giant, no. These stairs are very steepish. No, down there is steep. These ones are high. Some of them short, some of them on an angle. This one is, gosh, it's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Wait. It's at Hibiscus Lodge. Wait a minute, the things that I come down. This part was full of water last night. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. These are steps going down. Ooh, water looks so good. Sweet Jamaicans. This is how low we are. It's Hibiscus Lodge in Ocho Rios.
Don't tell me Yes, there he is.
Oh my god, it's gorgeous out here. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Beautimous. Lovely.
All those folks are teaching us to stay and it's okay. What does that mean?
They're having poetry stuff. So we are going.
But I'm never storm come.
Okay, you next. Oh, that's where we're coming from.
Then who are the captain? You know, if you tell us in case of emergency, what we are going to do?
I'm going to take your picture. We're not that deep, you know, son. Anywhere you go, you can stand up. Don't you? There you go.
Everything over 2 feet deep.
You can look on the water. See the water there? You can.
Yeah.
You remember what I said about the water? You
It's
can
not that
stand in
deep.
it. Yes. You can stand in it.
Oh, it's not that deep.
No. That's how we are on shoreline, you know?
The Moon Palace.
Oh, this is the Moon Palace. Look at it down. Okay. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, hang on. That's some.
There they are.
Oh,
Okay.
Flip off.
Okay.
oh.
Maggie, we are sure. Maggie, we are sure.
Giving us a show.
Nice.
We can't see nothing.
Go on, flip off. Am I dating myself?
Yeah. Yes, you are. Sylvia.
That's the same thing.
Nothing wrong with that. I'm still here, aren't I?
We must
know
be
that
from
me I
country
said too?
because I can't see through my phone. I can't see nothing through my phone.
You sure you have it on?
What's good? I got it. I got it. Nice. That is nice.
Uh-oh, it's shut
What up
down.
there?
Uh-oh. We have to go push.
You have to go put.
This is my room. I'll show you my room. This is the outside veranda. The veranda that I have overlooking the pool, and the ocean is right beside it, or the sea. I don't know why they say ocean view. They should say sea view. If you hear somebody's mouth, it's my auntie. Her room is right over there, overlooking the ocean. It just finished raining. Yeah. This is it. This is where I'm at. Hibiscus Lodge. Hibiscus. So, Melissa. Alright, we'll go further down. Down here I have not been. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is my first time going down here. Whoa. Lots of walking area. A swing. Oh, I guess that's the area where people can get married over there. This is very nice. That's one of many areas. There's another area somebody could get married smaller. But yeah, oh, it's very nice here. Oh, their tennis courts are over there. Paradise spot. Very nice. Let me walk the bridge. Alright. So I'm gonna come over bridge side. Walking through the safari. Alright, let's see. Where does that lead to? I wonder if this will lead to roadside. Or the other side. Oi. Alright. So I go back now. This is very nice. I like this. I like this kind of scenery. I'm taking pictures. This is good screenshots, you know. Very good screenshots. Oh, right there. Yes, yes. This is my view of the Caribbean Sea. This is my view, y'all. This is my view. This is the bar. Has a swings. Oh, my view. Beautiful view. It's where the wedding is going to be at. Up there. Hibiscus Lodge. They should pay me to do their videos and their pictures. Really. They need to. Just, ooh, I'll show you that. That's where I was down there. Finally the wedding. The wedding. Look at my skin. Ugh, Jamaica is good to me, may I tell you the truth. I'm not telling no lie, you know. I'm not telling no lie. Jamaica sweet to me. I know say Jamaican sun good for my skin, may I tell you. You hear that scone? It's a mixture of skin and sun. You got that right. Oh my god. See my outfit? You soon see my shoes. You soon see the whole outfit. I'm feeling myself, I really am, because of the sun. How Jamaica's sun is good to my skin. Jamaican black cake, rum cake. It tastes so good. Jesus, peace, Lord. I'm outside. It rained. It's hot. It's humid. It rained. The wedding is good. Everything is going well. I got my hair. Well, I did my hair myself. You like it? I tried a thing. Yeah. If I had more time, I would have probably make it come down some more. But anyways, yes. Everything went well. Hot. I'm hot. But I'm enjoying the heat because I know what I'm going back to. Good morning. Good Sunday morning. I eat one patty. Not juicy patty. Mother's. The Great Jamaican Patty Company. May I eat something I've never eaten before. Cheese patty. Tastes alright. Tastes alright. It's like them fall down all over the place. I can't even see my face. I think do I have crumbs on it? Try me ask you like you can't answer me. Cheese patty can go on, you know, beef and cheese. People say cheese patty, but beef inside there. Beef and cheese patty can go on still. Can go on. So me feel. You think it's sick? Sunday. You wanna know where I'm staying? You wanna know where I'm staying? I'll go show you the room. So this is the walkway that's on the front. Veranda. Everybody have veranda. So my mom is sitting on the veranda, chilling out. This is our view from our room. It's next door, and that's next door as well. When we come in, we just mopped up the floor, so it's kind of wet. I take off my shoe and I tiptoe. And these are the beds and whatnot. TV. They have Canadian. I got City News. I get American channels and BBC, and I think some other London channels plus Jamaican. The 2 Jamaican channels you get. This is the room. My auntie brought some pear. We call it avocado. We call it pear here. It's avocado. She brought some pear. This is our room. Window. We were like thinking when we came in the night, we were thinking, oh my God, I can't see inside, but and then inside they can't see. They can't see inside, which is good. So a closet with a safe. Another closet with some clothes hanging in it. Some shoes down there. There's like 4 levels. This is the shower. So see over top, there's no wall or separation. If you're doing your business in the bathroom, people can't hear it. There's a next window. As you can see, I put toilet paper up the top. Why? Because there's a gap between the windows and I don't want no creatures, namely lizards, coming inside the room. I don't need that. I'm a mom. I come to find out that my mom is afraid of lizards. How about that? She's afraid of lizards. I'm gonna take a picture of myself. Yeah, my mom is afraid of lizards. Can you believe that? Like really afraid. So anyways, that's the bathroom, toilet and whatnot, shower, whatever. The room's fairly nice. I like it. I like this place. And looking out the window, if it will focus, can't really see. You can see the ocean from just standing right here. A little closer. There. That's my view. That's my view. Hibiscus Lodge. I'm here at Ocean 11. My cousin them. And this is the view. Philo. Nice, see? I'm hot. You see my face is glowing. I am hot. I just came from Ocean's 11. We're in Margaritaville in Ochi. I'll show you the background here, sir. Is that the background?
And a paparazzi too.
I'm a paparazzi. I'm my own paparazzi. Come on. See it there? Water. Caribbean sea water. On the boardwalk in Ochi. Sun hot, you know, but I'm not complaining at all. I'm not complaining. You're not hot?
Yeah. Philip style.
I don't know when I'm gonna get weather like this again, so I'm taking it all in from now. Huh? You know what? This week of sin, I stay no longer with you. I made up my mind. I'm in my bathroom. And I hear church going on. I'm in my hotel room bathroom. Can you hear it? Goodbye, world. Oh, goodbye, pleasures of sin. I stay no longer with you. I made up my mind to go God's way the rest of my life. I made up up my mind to go God's way the rest of my life. Up my mind to go God's way the rest of my life. I made up my mind. This is Sunday night church, you know. Sunday night church. Say goodbye. Gonna say goodbye. Oh my God. Here's somebody. Ah! Me and my sisters used to sing this song. Miss I would turn on the record that was on repeat Sunday afternoons when my mom wouldn't let us watch secular shows or listen to secular music whatsoever. We played this song over and over again. I'm gonna say goodbye. I'm gonna say goodbye when my life on earth is ended. I'm gonna say goodbye. They ended the song, but I had to sing it. I just had to. That brought back memories. Thank you. Bethel Apostolic Church, I think that's what it's called over there. Sunday evening service.